Hi, in this session, I'll be explaining about the use of filter. So filter operator, what it does, it helps to filter the data without the using the loop and where condition. We don't need to loop the internal table, put the where condition, append the work area to internal table to get the values. The filter keyword can help us do that. Here is an example. You can see I am fetching the data from PA0001. They specify date range to an internal table LTEMP. Now, I want to get all those records where payroll area equal to US, and I want to get all the records where payroll area is not equal to US, means except US. Mark the keyword except. Okay. Instead of using not equal to, I used except keyword. So you can see the result. US employee, all the payroll areas US, and all the records having payroll area not US. So in short, filter eliminates the need to loop and append records to internal tables over a where condition, and except is to exclude the records matching them. It's kind of like where every care is not equal to US, except that instead of that we say except where every care is equal to US. So filter is very helpful to filter the data without the loop and where condition. So the lines of code is less and more optimized code. Thank you for watching.